Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 23. In 9 AD, the Roman Empire faced a devastating defeat in the Teutoburg forest. Roman general Varus, deceived by the Germanic chieftain Arminius, marched 3 legions into the forest, expecting to quell a rebellion. Arminius, once a Roman ally, turned against Rome, using his knowledge of Roman tactics to set a deadly trap. In the dense, marshy forest, the Roman legions were ambushed and slaughtered over 3 days, unable to maneuver. This catastrophic loss halted Rome's expansion into Germania, drawing the empire's border back to the Rhine River. The defeat deeply affected Emperor Augustus, symbolizing the limits of Roman power and marking a pivotal moment in Roman history.